Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add custom fonts in CapCut PC. So if you don't have CapCut PC, try to download and install. It's free. And next, in order to add custom font, you can go to the devfont.com or any website that provide you custom fonts. You can download the custom fonts in here. So for example, let's try with the Alexandria White House font. Just click download. Now the file is downloaded. Now you can open the folder and try to compress with WinRAR, and let's access it. Here, Alexandria White House font. You can double click and install this font. Installing Alexandria White House. Now the installation is complete. Let's close all the apps or Chrome and restart your CapCut and let's reopen and let's create the project or open your previous projects. And here we go. You can click text, or let's start with the import first. For example, let's use the library from CapCut. Let's use material from CapCut. Now here you can click default text or add text, and this is the default text. Try to block it, and here we go. Let's start search the font. So recently we got Alexandria. Let's search it. And this one, Alexandria White House, is already installed on CapCut PC. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.